Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone slow charging or not charging problem on iOS 17. When I update iOS 17 on my iPhone slow charge or sometime not charging. Lot of users have reported on Apple websites iPhone not charge or slow charge. If you are facing this issue, keep watching the video until the end and fix your problem. Number one is restart your iPhone and fix your problem. The first thing that you should try is restarting your device. It might fix a lot of issues that are caused due to the system startup files. When you restart the iPhone, then it will load all the files correctly and might help in fixing the issue which are caused due to iOS 17 update. Therefore, we will suggest that you should restart your iPhone to try fixing the issue. Simply press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, your problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check charging port. The other thing that you should try is checking the charging port of the iPhone. There are chances that some objects or dirt particles might have stuck in the port. If there are some objects or dust particles stuck in, then try cleaning it. After cleaning it, check whether the charging port, when the charging port is dry and check your iPhone charge, your problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check lightning cable. The other reason of the charging problem might be your charging cable. We will suggest that you should evaluate your lightning cable properly to check for damages. So ensure that your lightning cable is not damaged. If your lightning cable is not damaged, now go to the another solution. Check power source and adapter. This is another method through which you can try fixing this issue. The other reason for slow charging might be your power source and charger. Please use original charger and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, now check your iOS update. Tap on the settings app, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If you are using beta version, now wait for the official version and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, now visit the nearest Apple store and fix your slow charging or not charging problem on iPhone on iOS 17. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.